breaking updates coming in. 7 TDP polling agents have allegedly been kidnapped in Punganur, Andhra Pradesh. This is what the allegation of the TDP is. They're claiming YSRCP leader Pedireddy Ramchandra Reddy's followers have kidnapped 7 of their agents in Korakamanda, Chadampandal, Punganur assembly constituencies. The agents were on their way to polling stations when they were beaten up and forced inside a vehicle, is what the charge of the TDP is against the YSRCP agents. My colleague Neetu continues to be with us. So Neetu, already, even as polling booths are opening up, there are very serious charges coming in from the political parties. Don't think Neetu can hear me just yet, but as I said, there are 7 polling agents that are being accused of having been kidnapped. TDP is saying their polling agents have been kidnapped by the YSRCP agents. They've been beaten up and put inside a vehicle and taken to a location. That's the allegation coming. Neetu, I think, can hear me now. Neetu, anything more that you're learning on this very serious charge just as polling begins today?
Yes, very serious charges, and these are charges made by the TDP saying that their workers have been kidnapped, and they are mentioning specific instances. Now, there's another instance also which the TDP has been saying is that in Macherla Assembly constituency, it's a constituency in the Palnadu district of Andhra Pradesh, where the TDP's booth workers were also attacked by the YSRCP. So these are the allegations coming in from the TDP. In this booth attack, they have even release the pictures of the attack against their booth workers. So these are some of the allegations coming in from the TDP.
Right. So already some charges flying thick and fast as far as polling is concerned.